So, I am in Vernon and by the UPS where I work. And so I was passing by the pig factory, and I have to go back because I thought this was pretty deep, since I was coming from work in the middle of the night, and I pretty much saw these people protesting, and I don't think this was right, but we will see right now. These cops have these people lined up. I have no idea why, but you will see that they are doing this for a cause, because I stand with them, because pigs have feelings too. And I was coming from work. I was just getting off from work, and I saw a trailer full of pigs going into the slaughterhouse, and that got me really teary. So it stinks up in here like literally. So we're heading, this is the pig factory. And I am about to record everything. I have to go to work right now, and I hope to God I don't get stopped. But let's see this. I'm gonna unplug. See this here. These people are protesting. This is the pig factory. This is the pig factory. And these people are coming by. And they are right here protesting. I have no idea why they did it today. But these are the people that are standing for these little piggies that are in this slaughterhouse, which is sad. It's really, really sad. I'm telling you, it's fucked up, man. We're going back. Jesus. There's no U-turn here. I'm going back. And all these workers that work in this pig factory go into that McDonald's, which I think it's pretty messed up, because they all reek. You have to have no heart to kill pigs. You have to. It's like having a black heart. But I have to clock in. And there they go. I guess these are protesters. Are you guys part of PETA?
What's that?
Are you guys part of PETA?
No.
Oh.
Are you going to the pig vigil?
No, I have to clock into work, but I was just wondering who do you guys represent?
The March of Silence.
Oh, are you?
Also, we're doing a vigil with L.A. Animal Safe.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah,
All
right
right.
here.
All right, thank you. So I did not know that, so I will research them and have more info on them. So this is the vigil that they have every night, I guess. It's pretty sad. These workers have no heart. Can you imagine that? It's pretty messed up. Yep. So I recorded everything, which I'm pretty proud. So now I have to clock in and work overnight at UPS. Wish me luck. Alright, later.